friends, today we're going to draw a really cute, cozy shark.
We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This is what our drawings look like at the very end. They turned out awesome.
Yeah, this one's really cute and my new favorite.
Yeah, I think it's mine too. And we're using our markers to draw in color with, but like always,
You can use whatever you have.
yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start with our shark's eye. We're going to draw a little circle or oval here. It's kind of in the middle, but I'm drawing it a little to the right. Yes, and then we're going to draw our shark's, this side or head of our shark. I'm going to draw a curve coming down. We can start above the eye and then come down below. Then let's draw the smile. And we're going to draw a happy shark. We'll draw a little curve right here. Then we're going to draw the hat, and we'll draw it coming down a little just past the eye. And then we can draw the other side of our shark's body by drawing a curve here, and it kind of matches the same curve on this side. Yes, okay, now let's draw the collar or for his sweater. So he's nice and toasty, nice and warm. Okay, now let's come back up here. We're gonna finish the stocking hat. We'll draw a curve. And the stocking hat's going to be really tall. We'll draw the top coming across. Oh.
I already know this is my favorite one.
This is your new favorite.
Yeah.
And we could draw the top coming over and down. Why is it sticking up so high? Okay. Then we're going to draw the pom-pom on top. Okay, now let's draw the gills. Let's draw the gills right here. I'm going to draw 3. We're going to draw 3 little curves right here for the gills. Okay, all right. Now let's draw our little hot chocolate. We're going to draw an oval shape right here underneath his mouth. And then we can draw 2 short lines coming down. Now let's draw his little fins hanging on to the hot chocolate. We're going to draw sideways little V's. Yes, and then let's draw a curve down on both sides for the sleeves. And then we're going to make it a little line coming up. We're going to draw the sleeve coming in, his little sweater sleeve. And then we'll draw a little line down and then in. Okay, now let's draw, we're going to skip around a little. Let's draw the collar for a sweater. So I'm going to start here. We can draw a little line coming out, down, and then connect into the cup. And then right here, we'll imagine it going through the cup, coming out the other side. And we can continue over, up, and then connect in. Yes, okay, now this sleeve on this side, we're gonna draw it sticking out. Oh, actually, we'll draw a little bit there, but let's come back and draw the rest of the mug. So we're gonna imagine it going through the flipper, almost forgot, and then we'll come over here to match. So my mug is kind of tall. And then we're gonna draw at the bottom, it's a tall cup of hot chocolate. There we go. Okay, now for the sleeve, we'll continue right here and then connect it into the mug. Yes, okay, now for the rest of the sweater. We'll draw a short line coming down here, and then also down here, and we'll end in the same distance down. Yeah, okay, and then we can draw the bottom of our sweater coming across. He's looking awesome. Okay, and then we gotta draw the shark fin. We're gonna draw it curving down and then back into the sweater. Now it looks more like a shark.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let's draw his belly. We'll draw it curving out of the sweater and over to here, and then we're gonna stop for his leg. We're gonna give our shark legs, even though they're probably more like fins, but we want him standing up. So over here, let's draw a short line down. Then we're gonna draw his tail sticking out. We'll draw a short line out. Let's come down like imagine this line coming down here, and then we'll draw another line. Yes, okay, now for the tail. Draw a curve up and a short curve down. Then we can draw a curve in here and down. Then let's draw his legs. We'll draw the first leg here, so we can draw 2 short lines. And then we'll connect it in. Doesn't really have a foot, just a leg. And then we can draw a matching leg over here. So I'm going to draw the same short line, and then another short line. And then we'll connect it in. And we did it! There's our little shark, our fall shark. Except we still need to
color him.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, but you can pause the video at the end if you want to use our drawings as inspiration for yours. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our cute little fall sharks and they turned out awesome. Yours is my favorite, just like you said. He's squishy. I like him. We added little steam coming from our mugs.
And pink cheeks.
Yeah, and also a shadow down here at the bottom to make him look more 3D. But you could color your sharks any way you want. You could also add a background.
Yeah, with fall leaves.
Oh, that would be really cool.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a cozy shark with us.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.